Hey, what's up guys? If you have the trouble codes listed on the screen right here, your first instinct is to go ahead and buy a new mass airflow sensor and replace it. But in most of the situations, it's not necessary to do so, and sometimes these trouble codes related to the mass airflow sensors are just related codes, which means that there are other parts in the engine which are faulty and they point out to the mass airflow sensor. Now, one of the challenges is that on this car we've got a digital mass airflow sensor, which means that a voltmeter is not going to be accurate to detect if the sensor responds correctly or not. Alright, so right now the voltmeter is connected to the signal wire, and you can see we've got a steady 2.7 volts. So as you could see, the signal from the mass airflow sensor was very constant because the signal is sent through hertz and not voltage. The voltmeter will pick the average of these two extremes because the hertz signal is going to be either 0 volts or 5 volts, and therefore the voltmeter will pick from this side or from this side, and it will have like an average of 2.5, around 2.5 volts. That's why it didn't change. That's why having a scan tool with live data will enable you to see and use basically the computer to read the signal from the mass airflow sensor. So one thing you can try is to clean up the mass airflow sensor. Use some sort of plier to pull this red pin, and then you're going to be able to unplug it. Then with the 8mm, remove these two screws basically. Open up this hose clamp. Now you should be able to take out the mass airflow sensor assembly. Now if you look inside there, you can see the mass airflow sensor, and most of the time it's just a very thin layer of dust or debris, so just clean it up. Now the sensor is back, so from this point, if you still have the same codes, then you gotta go ahead and check out other sensors, and if everything else looks okay, then you will have to replace this sensor. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, there is gonna be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about it, and until next time, take care, so I can see you soon.